am 50 years old and for the most part lived my life as it happened. So technically, life happened to me till I discovered that I was being driven by this belief that I had no control. What people did to me was bad, my circumstances were bad, they were wrong. And things were just not working out in my favor because I was a victim of circumstances. But for the last decade, I have been consistently changing my life around. Slowly but steadily, working at making a difference to my life pretty much on my own. I realized the secret to my peace of mind lay with me and not with other people. I decided to empower myself and decide my own fate and destiny. I was no longer going to be a victim. If my story has resonated with you, then join me as I take you through the changes I made over the last 10 years so that I may teach you to do the same. Make the changes in your own life so you don't spend the next 10 years or longer making a difference to your own life. Become an action taker and choose your own path. Don't let life just happen. You decide the course of your own destiny. And the best way to do just that is to sign up for the 3-day workshop on mindful based living. It's a small price to pay for your own peace of mind. Take back charge of your life and make the most of it. I'll see you at the workshop.